Everybody, welcome to my channel. We are doing 30 days of code, a small tutorial to help you understand how to understand programming language, and specifically the programming language Python 3, which is the future of programming. Here we're tasked with writing a string that prints out our input string. So if you see here, we're supposed to have this expected output. This is our current output with our code above. You might think we just write another string that looks like this, or also known as hard coding, but it may look like it's supposed to be like that. But here we're tasked with writing a line of the contents of our input string into our output. So that's why it fell to the second case. This isn't how we do it. Simply, to print out the contents of our input, which is up here, we just simply call it down here. So whatever is placed in the input, it's going to be what's printed out directly after our hello world string. So let's see if that works. Perfect. Alright, thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.